Are you tired of all this van life stuff? Conversion vans, people making up vans look like this, adding $300,000 on a little van, on a little ass van? No. If you've ever dreamed of owning a coach bus that you can turn into a full house, this one is for you, and it's in a price range that would knock your shoes off. I'm gonna show you everything this bus has to offer and why you should invest in it. Let's work. All right, guys, this one right here has 690,114 miles on it. I think this is a 1991, but I will have to confirm. I think the sticker is right here, so I got to go outside and take a look at it. But this is the cockpit. She's just dirty. It's been sitting a couple years, guys. The original owners of this passed away. It is currently sitting in my family's truck yard. They have a truck repair business for diesel trucks and, you know, all that stuff. Whatever they do, that's family business. I don't do it. No. Take a quick look at this bus. As you make your entrance, you come up. You have your driver cockpit. All the basics, guys. None of that fancy electric stuff that breaks down on you and messes up everything. 2-passenger co-pilot seat here. Folds down like so. So when you sit here, and then you have a floor you can stand on. And then when you're about to get out, you just open this thing up. And then people can go out. You have 21 coach seats, guys. All of them recline. They all have armrests. Check it out. Boom, baby. I like this. Then you got storage. More storage. More storage. And more storage here. You have your control panel here. You have your driver speakers and everything else. Just take a quick look at it. Each seat has speakers with volume control, TV up front. Then on the side there you have your announcement speaker. Your announcement microphone. Each seat has a cup holder. Down on the floor you have 120 volt plug-ins. So as you make your way to the back, you have facing seats. You have a facing seat here. So this is where people sit and play cards at while they're on their trip. Above that, you do have a skylight. Got tint on the windows. Probably needs to be replaced. You have like little storage, guys, along with speakers. I wouldn't actually store anything up there, but you could. Make my way to the bathroom. This is the powder room. You have your standard plastic toilet there. But look at the bare bones of this thing, guys. Have a little medicine cabinet over here. Have a fan up there. And over here you have another spot that can be used as a closet. And it's also a shower. You see right there? Make your way to the back. You have probably like a 10-liter refrigerator. Let's check that out. Oh yeah. Nice freezer space, guys. You know you need some good freezer space. And refrigerator. Then I'll bear off to the left here. You have plenty of storage. Your escape hatch or skylight, whatever you want to call it. You have a fan back here. Replace that. You have a microwave. Coffee makers. Go ahead and update that. Here you have storage. What you call this? A cooler. This is a cooler. And down below, then you have more storage. Look at that, guys. You have your cockpit sits. What you call it? Your airline stewardess seats here. Boom. You finish with it. Pop it up. And then on the side of that, unlock. Back here you have your entertainment center. There go your radio. So on and so forth. Same thing here. And then here you also have a trash can. That's amazing. Now on the floor you have this little rubberized floor, and then you have some old school carpet. Same thing here, but this floor seems a little soft. I'm not sure what's going on. Oh, nope. No, it doesn't. Sorry, that's a lie. Oh no, right here. It's something up under here. That's probably what that is. Something up under here. Nope, it's right. Okay, that's the problem. Alright, that would have to be fixed. That's not hard to fix though. Then all this need to be fixed and replaced. And look at that crack there. Got a light. So overall, this thing is in great shape. Look at the ceiling here. This ceiling is perfect. You don't have to touch this. And it's more of a, let's see. Yeah, you feel that? Nice and soft. You can hit your head on that, won't hurt. All right, that is nice. So check it out. And oh, you got some more storage. I didn't even see this one. Boom. Nice storage. You don't have to do much in here. Here goes some switches for your lights. Much here, your kitchen and stuff is done. All you have to do is pull out these chairs, and this become your whole living area. You can even section it off for bedrooms, for multiple people in your family. Man, this thing is nice. Matter of fact, and get some of your money back, you can sell these seats. Once you pull out these seats, you can sell these a couple $100 each. So you got 21 of them, you sell it for $200 a piece. Boom, baby, you're looking good. Actually, the money you done paid for this bus, you just got it back. Let's head outside and see what kind of work needs to be done. Like I said, it's been sitting for 2 years, so it just need a good cleaning mostly. And like I said, my uncle owns this truck, y'all, so he knows it runs. It's tight back here. One of the battery banks. But then you have your storage. Check out that storage, guys. So it goes all the way down. You know, 3 of those here. So let's see. Here's your engine compartment. So again, like I said, my uncle the ones that work on this, so we know this stuff is working. And this is an old school diesel, so you don't have to worry about all that DEF stuff, guys, and filters and all that good stuff. So from what I understand, you just need to replace these batteries. Let's climb through here. So that's, oh no, that's just inspection sticker. But check out that body, guys. There we go, take a look. Hopefully you can see it. And again, for the price, you have a very minimal effort to put in here to get this thing up and running. Let's go over here. Let's go check out the other one. Alrighty. So same thing. Got your battery bank. You got all your extra storage. Look at all that storage, guys. All that storage in there. Yeah, same thing going to the back. So this look like the bumper's hanging off here. I don't know how to open these things, but it finally opened. And again, check that out up in there. See that? It's all old school right here, baby. Anybody can fix this stuff. All you doing is replacing parts in here. You ain't all that unnecessary electrical crap. Let's see what we got on the inside. So as we come up these stairs, yeah, it looks newer, but then again it doesn't. It just has less stuff. But check it out. This is the driver's cockpit. Here's some window blinds. No storage above here. I'm not even sure what this stuff is. So So this one's about to hit 1 million. So this must be the older one. But hey, this looks, why is this one not dusty? This is pretty great shape here. All right, all automatic, guys. Same nice little seats, all on recline. Cup holders. What I like about this one is you have the bus storage, the same storage you would have on the airlines. Love it. Got that all the way down on both sides. And excuse me, my light dead on the camera, so I'm using this. Look at that, storage all the way down. Speakers, lighting, nice on both sides. All this carpet will have to go put down some nice wood floors, some vinyl or some laminate. Got a little TV here. I'm not sure who that's for. It's facing the wrong direction. But then you got another little one up there. Hey, replace all of that. But then you have a bar area. Got a bench seating here with storage on the bottom. Bar area. Got some vintage liquor, old school microwave. Got some cabinets. Same thing as you come to the back. See, I would just pull this out and put a bedroom back here. Get rid of this U-shaped thing here. Get rid of this table. I like this table actually. This is not bad. Cup holders on the table. No kitchen. But you do have a bath, I believe. Yep, here you go. No shower. But you do have a bathroom. This is nice size. Check that out. Nice sized bathroom. And with all this room, you can put a shower somewhere else in here. On the roof, you got escape hatches. Turn that into a sunroof. This is in pretty good shape. The carpet is not bad. The flooring, this little rubber flooring. Yeah, I'll replace all this, put some vinyl through all of this. Put a work desk somewhere in here. Man, guys, this thing is amazing. I like it. Let's take a look at that ceiling. Oh, you can rip all this stuff out and start with bare bones. For the cost of these, it's incredible. There you go, guys. Another amazing bus here. Man, I'm considering buying this myself. I'm seriously considering it. I don't have time for the project right now, but at least if I have it sitting on my property, I can work on it when I get a chance. We have clean titles on both of them. No salvage or anything, clean titles. So